all, my name is Gideon. You're welcome to another section of my CorelDRAW tutorial on how to design a simple digital marketing banner. As you can see on the screen, this is what we'll be designing in few minutes. Please follow through. If you are here to subscribe and like my channel, please hit the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can always get the latest tutorial from me. In the description below, there is a link to download this file if you need to edit or use it for your business or other things. Thank you. Please stay tuned. Alright, I pick my rectangular tool so I can draw the size of my paper. Okay, the size we're going to be working with is 5.077 by 5.033. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to click on this section and drop it with a right click. That is just to copy that section, then you're going to have something like this, or I can just remove that. Then what I want to do is I want to draw a circle. Okay, then I want to pick my rectangular tool. Oh, before that, I'm using my ruler to know the center of my circle, then so that I can be able to do what I need to do. So I pick my rectangular tool, then I draw like this. Okay. Then what we are going to be doing now is, okay, I want to expand this to this end. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is I'm going to be duplicating this ellipse tool, which is the circle tool. I'm going to duplicate it, so that's Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then I'm going to hold down my shift button, then select the rectangular tool and use the weld tool to weld them together. So I have something like this. When I take out my ellipse tool with the delete button, you see what I have. So I don't want to take out my ellipse tool. Then I want to add color to this. The color we're going to be using, I'm going to give you the code for the color. This is not actually the color I want to add anyway. So I go to my color palette. Then I'm going to create my own color myself using RGB, and that's 2551661. So this is the color I'm going to be using. Remember, we have our ellipse tool E, so I'm going to page it up, shift page up for that. Then I want to have a white color for that without an outline. Okay, then I want to reduce it a bit. That's that. Then I want to have another inside, which is something like this. Okay, let's start by inserting our images. So I'm going to come to my image folder and select the image I want to use. So drag it to CorelDRAW. Then I'm going to power click it in the image I want it. So let's see what we're dealing with here. Okay, now so that you'll be able to know which of the images you're working with, I'm going to give this one an outline. You can see what we're doing here. So I'm going to increase the outline to about 2. Let's just leave that way. Okay, so I'm going to have something like this. Okay, now I'm going to use the word digital marketing. Digital marketing agency. Then I prefer to use the font Doppio 1. So I'm just going to look for my font and select my font. Okay, then I'm going to be having something like this. Okay, so what I want to do now, okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to create this layer. Then let's quickly walk this through. I'm going to drag this and drop with a right click, so it will copy. Sorry, let's go again. I'm going to drag this and drop it with a right click, then just expand to the layer I want. Okay, then I'm going to do the same for this. Just going to drag and drop here, then adjust back. Okay, then I'm going to give this color white for the meantime. Then sorry, I mean the text. I'm going to give it white and page it up. So then this is going to be black. I mean real black, not just black. So this is my black, and this is going to be black as well. Then I can fix this using my F10 tool, which is the shape tool. I can select just this text, then give it the desired color, which is black. Okay, then the next thing I want to do is I want to give this shape this color, removing the outline. Okay, I think that is fixed. How's this? Okay, F4. We are getting there. Then the next thing I want to do is okay, I want to draw my rectangular too. Okay, then I want to convert to curve, Control Q. Then I want to zoom up this layer. Then I want to pick up my shape tool. I want to take this point out this way. Then okay, let's go. Right click and convert this area to curve. Then with this, I have this also. I have this, then I delete this point. I don't need those points. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to have a point on these two sides. Then I want to do this. Okay. Then I'm going to give it this color. Then I want to have the text DC. Then I'm going to be using the font okay, Barbarian. Then I want to have it this way. Then I'm going to be applying white color to one of them. Okay, alright, I can decide to give this black and give the other white. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give this white outline, then apply shadow to it. Okay, let's apply the shadow to see our outline, how it looks like it. So this is perfect. Then the next thing I want to do is I want to type the text. Oh, let me just do this. I'm kind of a bit lazy to do this, so let me just do this. So I'm going to give this black. Sorry please. So that's the slogan for the website, for the company. Then I'm going to use some kind of crazy text, so I prefer to go with this box thing. Then I have it this way. Then this cannot be black. I want to make it a bit low and not black that way, somehow ash or gray, family of gray. So I want to go towards this again. So I'm going to copy this also. I'm going to drop it here. Then I edit what I need to type. Your irresistible and failing digital marketing partner. Okay, let's do this area up and have something. Okay, alright, I think that's good. So let's keep on going. So the next thing I want to do is I want to draw my rectangular tool in. Then I'm going to pick up my shape tool and just do this. Okay, I think this is cool. So I'm going to give it the same color. I'm just working on a simple color. Then I'm going to use the text. Get started. I'm going to make it some kind of crazy black with some outline. I wake up with it's where I did this one, but I still have to keep my tutorial. Okay, I want to give this to black outline. Probably. No, not black, white. And just go around here. Then I'm going to apply some shadows. Okay, let me just zoom up and balance something here. Alright, and the next thing I need to do is I just want to type my okay, let me just type mine. Probably your phone number or anything you want to put here. Let's just say 140889913 or any number you want to put there. I'm going to set an outline of white and I'm going to make it boom. Oh, that's not too good. I think I could go for more. Okay, now I'm going to change this color. I'm going to use this color. So, okay, that's good. I want to add some shadows. Okay, I think that's cool a bit. So I'm going to be having my social media icons. Since I have it in my last tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and copy from there. Then I'm just going to paste it in this one, so I'll save myself that time. You get? So I'll just copy these two. Okay, let's just do this. Okay. So I'm just going to paste this in, and I'm going to have this. Okay. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I just want to adjust the size of this. I felt like it's small for me. Depending on what you want anyway. Then I think I am done. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumb up. Then I'll provide with a new tutorial in the next section. God bless you. And take care.